Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Mr. Alex. I'm so happy you're here today. We're talking about something almost everyone deals with, procrastination, that habit of putting things off even when we know we shouldn't.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. Oh, yes, procrastination. I know that so well. Sometimes I tell myself, I'll do it later, but later becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes next week.
Exactly, Emma. We've all done that. Maybe it's cleaning your room, finishing a project, or replying to a message. We know it's important, but we still delay it.
But why, Mr. Alex? Why does our brain actually like procrastination?
That's a great question. Today, we'll explore that together. Why our brain does it, how it works, and what we can do to stop it.
So, what does procrastination really mean?
It means delaying or avoiding a task that you need to do. It's when you keep saying, I'll do it later, again and again.
Like when I have homework but start watching videos or scroll on my phone instead?
Exactly. That's procrastination. Your brain chooses short-term fun over long-term success.
But why does our brain do that? It doesn't make sense.
Actually, it makes perfect sense once you understand how the brain works. We have two main systems, the logical brain and the emotional brain. The logical brain helps you plan and think about the future. The emotional brain wants comfort and pleasure right now.
So when I procrastinate, the emotional brain wins.
Exactly. It says, relax, let's do it later. It wants to avoid stress and discomfort, even if it causes more stress later.
I usually procrastinate when something feels boring or too hard.
That's very common. People procrastinate when something feels big, difficult, or even a little scary. Your brain tries to protect you from that feeling.
So when I put something off, I feel relaxed for a short time, but later I feel guilty.
That's the procrastination cycle. You delay, you feel better for a moment, but later you feel guilty and stressed. It's short-term comfort, long-term pain.
Yes, I always feel bad after. I know I should have started earlier.
Exactly. It's like eating too much junk food. It feels good now, but you regret it later.
So how can we stop procrastinating?
There are a few easy ways. First, break big tasks into small steps. When something looks smaller, it feels easier to start.
Like instead of saying, I'll clean the whole house, I can say, I'll clean my desk first.
Exactly, one small step at a time. Second, use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll just do it for 5 minutes. Usually, once you start, you'll keep going.
That sounds really simple and helpful. I can do 5 minutes.
It really works. The hardest part is starting. Once you begin, your brain gets into focus mode.
Okay, what's next?
Third, remove distractions. Keep your phone or social media away while you work. A quiet and clean space helps your brain focus.
Yes, my phone always distracts me. I tell myself I'll just check one message, and suddenly 20 minutes are gone.
That's so common. Try to make it harder for distractions to reach you. And finally, reward yourself. After finishing a task, give yourself a small reward, maybe a snack, a walk, or a short break.
I like that idea. It makes work feel more positive.
Exactly. When your brain connects work with small rewards, motivation grows naturally.
So is procrastination always bad, though?
Not always. Sometimes short breaks can actually help. When your mind rests, new and creative ideas appear.
So it's okay to rest, just not too much, right?
Exactly. Balance is the key. Take short breaks, but don't let them turn into hours of delay.
That makes sense. Balance sounds like the secret word today.
Yes, balance between work and rest. Even successful people procrastinate sometimes. The difference is they don't stay stuck in it. They understand it and move forward.
Let's go over some words we learned today.
Sure. Repeat after us if you can. Procrastination. delaying something you should do. Emotional brain, the part that wants comfort and pleasure. Logical brain, the part that plans and makes smart decisions. Distractions, things that stop you from focusing. Motivation, your reason or energy to do something.
Great words. Practice saying them slowly and clearly.
Remember, everyone procrastinates sometimes. The key is to understand why it happens and take small steps to control it.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Start small, stay positive, and keep going.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection. The secret is to just start.
Thank you for listening to Learn English with Mr. Alex and Emma. We hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something new.
And don't procrastinate on your English practice. Keep learning every day and keep improving.
Too big,
See you in the next
boring, or
episode.
stressful.
Bye for now.
Exactly. And what's one simple way to stop procrastinating?
Use the 5-minute rule. Just start for 5 minutes.
Perfect. Small actions can make a big difference. Remember, your brain likes easy wins. When you take that first small step, you tell your brain, hey, this isn't so hard.
That's true. Once I start, I often feel more confident and want to keep going.
Yes, starting builds momentum, like pushing a ball down a hill. It might feel heavy at first, but once it rolls, it keeps going on its own.
That's such a good image, Mr. Alex. So if I just start, the rest becomes easier.
Exactly. And the best part? Each time you beat procrastination, you train your brain to focus faster next time.
So we can actually retrain our brains to stop procrastinating?
Yes, we can. Every time you choose action instead of delay, your brain learns that work can feel rewarding too.
That's so motivating. It means even small changes today can build better habits tomorrow.
Exactly right. It's not about being perfect. It's about improving a little bit each day.
I love that message. Start small, stay focused, and reward yourself along the way.
That's the secret formula to beat procrastination. And remember, understanding how your brain works gives you power.
So true. Now when I feel like putting something off, I'll stop and ask myself, is this my emotional brain talking or my logical brain?
Perfect question. That small moment of awareness can change everything.
Thank you, Mr. Alex. Today's lesson really helped me understand my brain and myself a little better.
You're very welcome, Emma. And thank you to all our listeners for joining us today. We hope this conversation helps you take action on something you've been putting off.
Remember, even 5 minutes counts. Start now and your future self will thank you.
That's a great way to end today's episode. Keep learning, keep improving, and don't forget, progress begins with the first step. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, your support helps us grow and bring you more fun English lessons. See you next time on Learn English with Mr. Alex and Emma.